Good morning guys! Ito mga ka-YouTuber, may bago na naman tayong relo from the brand known as Rado. Yes, ito po ay another automatic watch add up to my collection. To be honest, I have very rare automatic watch. So ayan, it's a gift from my husband. I'm so thankful. And it's quite expensive because it's automatic. It's different from my other watches. Simple yet elegant coming from Rado. Look at the back. See-through yan yung makina sa likod. So, it's such a nice watch and it just fits me really well. Hindi na kailangan mag-cut off ng links. Okay, this is a 5 years warranty made of silver with a two-tone color. So, it's black and silver. And yung kanyang glass is made of I forgot the term, pero ibang klaseng glass siya. Sapphire, yes, sapphire. Made from sapphire. Yes, tapos yung inside niya is mother of pearl din, pero it's in black color. So, ayan. Watch my video please until the end because it's such a really, really nice watch.